Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we are reviewing the LG 27GS60QC UltraGear, a 27-inch QHD Curved Gaming Monitor. Let's see if it's really worth your money. This monitor has 2560 x 1440 QHD resolution, so the picture is super clear. The curved skin makes gaming feel more immersive, like the action is wrapping around you. It comes with a 165 Hz refresh rate, which means your games will run very smooth, and the 1 ms response time helps reduce lag, especially for fast games like shooters or racing. The colors look good and it supports AMD FreeSync Premium, so there is no screen tearing. It has DisplayPort and HDMI ports but no built-in speakers, so you will need headphones or external sound. The stand is simple and stable but not very adjustable. You can tilt the screen but that's it. No height or rotation options. If you want a good curved monitor for gaming with sharp picture and fast performance, this LG Ultra Gear is a solid choice. But if you need more stand adjustment or built-in speaker, keep that in mind. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe for more tech reviews.